Let's dive into the fascinating world of entropy and how Albert Einstein used both his brilliant mind and sense of humor to explain it. 1. Einstein's humor on entropy. Einstein once joked, "The reason my desk is always a mess is because of the increase in entropy." What was he getting at? Well, according to the second law of thermodynamics, entropy, which is a measure of disorder, naturally increases in any system over time. Einstein playfully compared this scientific law to the chaos on his desk. The idea, just like the universe tends toward more disorder, so does paperwork. It was a clever way of connecting a complex scientific principle to everyday life, showing his sharp wit and deep understanding. 2. Entropy and time's direction. Einstein's work often touched on the idea of entropy and its connection to the arrow of time. Why does time only move forward? Because entropy increases. That's why we always feel time flowing in one direction. Now, what if entropy decreased? In theory, if entropy went down, time might seem to run backward. But in reality, that doesn't happen. Entropy tends to increase, not decrease. So, unless you want your coffee to magically reheat itself, we're all stuck with time moving forward. Einstein's humor highlighted just how essential entropy is to our experience of time. 3. Life and local decreases in entropy. Einstein also pointed out something interesting about living systems. They seem to lower entropy within themselves. Life takes in energy from the environment, organizes it, and keeps itself structured. Think about how your body stays organized even as you burn energy from food. But, in doing so, living things release energy back into the environment, increasing the total entropy of the system. So while life creates local pockets of order, the universe as a whole continues its journey toward more disorder. This insight ties into the bigger picture of how energy and order work on a universal scale. 4. Entropy, time, and information. Einstein didn't specifically talk about information theory, but his ideas about entropy laid some groundwork for it. Later on, scientists like Claude Shannon connected entropy to information. The more chaotic a system, the less we know about it, and the higher its entropy. In this sense, Einstein's reflections on entropy can even be linked to modern ideas about data loss and information processing. Who knew a messy desk could say so much about physics and information? The big picture. Einstein, entropy, and philosophy. Einstein's playful remarks about entropy were more than just jokes. He used humor to explain deep, philosophical truths about the universe. Entropy explains why time moves forward, why things get messier, and how life interacts with its environment. Einstein's insights helped us understand the arrow of time and the nature of disorder, all while making us smile. So, next time you look at your messy desk or wonder why things tend to get more chaotic, just remember Einstein and the unstoppable march of entropy.